Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix CapCut template not showing problem. So the first step here, you want to go here on your settings and then go to general. So once you tap on general, scroll down a bit and you just have to select iPhone storage. And then from here, you just have to find the CapCut application. Now here, all you need to do is tap on the offload app right here and then reinstall this CapCut app. Once done, go back to the general settings, scroll down, then tap on VPN and device management and make sure here that you disconnect the VPN. Now go back to the main settings, scroll down and find the CapCut app. So right from here and then tap on this one, then tap on the photos. And here, make sure that you tap on full access. And once done, go to your app store and make sure to update your CapCut app. And here, go to search box and type CapCut. All right, search for a CapCut app. And then basically, if an update button shows up, you just need to tap on update. And once done, restart your iPhone. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.